Welcome back, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles, back at you again here from beautiful Mount Sterling. And I just came back from a test ride on this wonderful machine. This is a 2011 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. Very nice machine, guys. Absolutely wonderful. I'm real partial to the big twins. Let's do a quick walk around on this one here. We got the 103 cubic inch engine on it, 6-speed transmission. We got some mild pipes on it. This thing is in immaculate condition. Nice blue metal flake silver paint scheme. Get a good look at the trunk here. And now let's go up and take a look at the dash. This thing's got a little over 7,000 miles on it, guys. 7,014 miles. And this thing is barely broken in. And while we're here, we might as well crank it up and hear that 103 rumble. Woo, yeah! Ain't nothing sound like a Harley Davidson V-twin, guys. Guys, come on down here to Mount Sterling and check us out at Gateway Cycles. You can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. Check out our Facebook page, Gateway Cycles. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That lets us know you like the videos. We'll try to keep putting them out for you. And thanks for watching, guys.